Hello, my dear students. This week you're going to learn about mosaic pattern scenery. For that, material is listed, and basically, you just need a drawing book, pencil, the sketch pens, and one scale. So, don't worry if you don't have this many sketch pens, even the 12 color shades are absolutely fine. Let us start drawing. As you know, it's monsoon and it's my favorite season. So I cannot stop myself drawing a waterfall. So I'm just drawing here some rocks and a waterfall. Remember, your drawing should be very light. So I know initially all of you will complain, Arey, we can't see what ma'am is doing, but that's fine. It's my habit. I don't do my drawing very dark. You have to do it very lightly. And then you can outline with sketch pen. Let us see how to make triangle mosaic pattern. For that, first I'm just showing you on a rough paper how your design is supposed to be, because you cannot draw the triangles anywhere. So I've done one triangle. Now the other line should be just beside the one side of the triangle. When I say beside, that doesn't mean it should touch the triangle, but it should be parallel. So if you see, all the three lines I have drawn parallel to the three sides of the triangle. So none of the side of the triangle should touch the other triangle. So be very careful, draw nice triangle and then fill color inside it. So this is how your triangles are supposed to be. None of my triangle is touching the other triangle. Now you cannot draw anywhere the triangle in your design. You have to draw the way I have shown you down. You cannot draw anywhere like this. This is not the way to draw. This is how you are supposed to draw the triangles. I have a small daughter at home, so fortunately I have this 24 shade sketch pens with me. So I thought of utilizing them. So here I am using light brown color, golden color. You can use even pencil colors or crayon colors, but what is must in this, you have to use only triangles. Do whatever scenery, whatever landscape, seascape, but the entire picture should be filled with only triangles. That too, the triangles which are not touching each other, and the sides of triangles are parallel to the other triangles. Okay, so here I'm using this light brown because I wanted to show light, middle and dark shade. If you don't have this many shades, that's absolutely fine. You can use brown color and complete coloring your mountain if you are drawing mountains in your picture. Do it slowly, don't be in a hurry to just complete your picture. Don't do triangles anywhere just like that for the sake of doing. Do it with patience. If you feel bored or if you don't feel like doing, your hand started paining, stop it and do it later. And enjoy the process rather than focusing on the output. Enjoy the process. Just do it slowly. Let us discuss some history about mosaic art. It's very interesting. Rather than creating images by adding pigment to a flat surface, some artists created patterns or shapes by arranging hundreds to thousands of tiny colored tiles. Yes, they used to use tiny colored tiles. We call this art form a mosaic, a decorated surface made up of individual pieces. So it's not necessary that they used to use only tiny color tiles, but they used to use coins, then pebbles, colored stones. In modern times, you will find many mosaic art done with paper collage, and even CD is cut into triangle pieces, and then those fine glass are used for the mosaic art. Once I'd been to Delhi airport, and over there, if you enter, you will find various artwork on the wall. So those artwork is done with this murals only with mosaic pattern, and it looks so pretty. The earliest known mosaics were found in a Mesopotamian temple dating back to the 3rd millennium, and it was made up of ivory, seashells, and stones. So these decorative abstract pieces laid the groundwork for mosaics made thousands of years later in ancient Greece and the Roman Empire. To know more about it, in antiquity, the mosaics first made of uncut pebbles and uniform size. The Greeks who elevated the pebble mosaic to an art of great refinement, and it was also called as tessera technique. You can see I have done the stones with gray color and black color, so it looks like shading has been done. Now for the water, I'm using light blue color and dark blue color. I'm going to use here also. So in case if I would have asked you to paint this picture with normal colors, what you would have done? Definitely, you would have used shading, right? Light blue, dark blue for the water. The similar things I'm doing here. The only difference is I'm using sketch pen and I'm coloring it in a triangle. So going back to mosaic, it was widely used on religious buildings and palaces in early Islamic art, including Islam's first great religious building, the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem, and the Umayyad Mosque in Damascus. So mosaic went out of fashion in the Islamic world after the 8th century. Today, mosaics are still a popular art form. They are used in kitchen glass tile, mosaic backsplashes, craft projects, garden art, as fine art, sculpture, park benches, and also in public art. With mosaics, you can create beautiful artwork that is durable and low maintenance. Now I'm coloring the sky, so here I'm using a pencil color. Like this, you can use pencil colors also along with sketch pen, then it will become a mixed media. Also, pencil colors are little bit light, so it's up to you whether to use pencil colors or sketch pens, or you can also color with plastic crayons. So here you can see again I'm using shades. I have tried to show sun, and then the rays are going to become light to dark. I'm going to use orange, red color, and dark pink. There's one more interesting fact about these mosaics. They were used for decoration and to show people how rich these Romans were. So, Roman mosaics were waterproof and easy to clean. This made mosaics very popular in public buildings and Roman bathhouses. Perhaps the single biggest reason behind Barcelona has become synonymous with mosaic is the world of architect Antoni Gaudí. Nowhere is this more visible than in the Park Güell, home to the world famous mosaic salamander known as El Rack. He is the most famous mosaic artist. So you can see now my sky is looking in shading and it's looking so pretty. It looks as if I have stick triangle pieces on my paper. You can also try collage. You can use paper pieces cut in triangle and stick in your scenery. It will also look very pretty. So here you can see I have used yellow color, light orange, dark orange, red color and pink color for my sky. If you don't have this many shades, it's absolutely fine. You can use only yellow, orange and red color or any single color also. But the only condition is it should be done with only triangles, and the triangles should be in pattern. They shouldn't be scattered here and there. See how beautiful my work looks. Thank you.